Dear professional colleagues and CA students, so today I got a mail from ICI stating that minimum recommended scale of fees got revised. I think this is from effect from February 2020. This is also published in March 2020. So you have to see this is minimum recommended scale of fees. Please underline recommend for all type of audits, then consultation, arbitration, then deed drafting, everything, certifications, income tax, GST, return filings, everything it has minimum recommended scale of fees. Okay, now the highlight you have to see. For that you have to come to bottom. See, they have split the cities into three classification, A, B and C. Almost majority comes in B and C, and you can see just A: Delhi, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Greater Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata. Only these cities comes in A categories. Almost major comes under B and C categories. And you have to come to the note now. Come to the note number 3. The aforesaid table states recommendatory minimum scale of fees by generally taking into account the average time spent by the chartered accountants and semi-qualified basically for the assignments. However, members are free to charge varying rates depending upon nature and complexity of the assignments. Depends on the time. Okay, now again one more thing which we have to see here. Generally for our basis what we can take, semi-qualified you can take this rates 3000 2000 depending upon A, B and C, and qualified 6000 3000 or 4000 3000 per hour, and principal 8000 6000 4000 per hour. Depends on this only we can charge. But the thing is, this will be little high for a normal size firm or a small size firm. Even if you see here, for 15G 15H filing itself it will be like 4000 rupees, which we are doing almost at free of cost at or very less. You can see here 15G 15H form filing 4000 3000 2000. Most of us who are like mid size and middle size firm, where our income tax return itself we are filing at this rates only. So here if you see filing of income tax returns and all, for individuals HUF you can see 8000 for salary clients, 8000 6000 4000. And as I told you in the note number 3, they have given depends on the time spent, because salary clients and all we will take maximum half an hour to 45 minutes to fill off one client. And if we are using some software where the details are already given within a few minutes, maybe like 15-20 minutes, with this form section itself we can fill for the recurring clients. So these are only minimum recommended rate scale of fees. You can just go through this. I will give the link of ICA also here. You can have a look and make use of it. Thank you.